Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. I got another package in the mail again, so let's see what we got. Right off the bat you can see there's some warnings. This one says handle with care, and this one also says fragile, handle with care. So I wonder what's in here. Got my trusty pair of scissors. Let's cut the box open. It's really kind of tricky to do with one hand. Alright, I think I should have that open here. Okay, let's get that side. Let's cut this side open. Alright, yeah. There we go. I just ripped it open. All right. So right off the bat, so I can clear this box part. That's fine. You can see here we have something wrapped up in foam, and I see an arrow pointing this way, so I'm assuming that means that's up. That's just foam. More foam. Oh, and there's tape on it. Let's see. My scissors out again. All right, here we go. Actually, you know what? At this point, I think I can just dump it out of the box. You know what? It might take me a while, so here's what came with the box itself. As you can see, we have some styrofoam. A lot of foam here. Now, if I continue with the packaging, let's see. I took the device out of the box, and it looks like I got another box wrapped in styrofoam. And it looks like it's a box. Again, let's see. Get away from me. All right, there we go. And it looks like this says this side up, and it's an unmarked box that just says up. Let's cut it open again. Okay. So like I did with my last unboxing video, I'm just gonna make little holes in the tape. And then I'll just stick my finger in there. Oh, it worked. Wait. Is that... Whoa. Okay, I see something black here. And it's paper. Wait. I think this might be a fire extinguisher. Let's see if I take it out. It is a fire extinguisher. Now if I take the paper off... Alright. Let's get this out of the way. Alright. You can see here we have a fork style hook bracket. It's a little weathered, but it's fine. Alright. 3, 2, 1, I'll do the extinguisher reveal. And it is the residential ABC 5-pound extinguisher. This is crazy. You see we have the instructions. And then the gauge. Looks like it leaked a little bit, so I'll have to do a review on that later on. And then here's the back of it. Let's see. Where's the model number? I think the model number's on this side. Oh, no, it's not. Maybe it's a bit hidden by the bracket. Let's see. All right. There it is. Found it. Let's see. You know what? I'm just gonna move it up a little more so you can get it better. There we go. FX340SC-2 or FXG40GW-2. And then if we look on the bottom, I mean, you can still see it still has the factory seal, so it's still unused. and open it up. This extinguisher was made in 2016, meaning this extinguisher today is 10 years old. And that is, oh, the hose is coming off. But that's good because I need to do my next check. I need to make sure the extinguisher has no powder. And will you look at that? The valve stem assembly is perfectly clean. No powder, no nothing. Well, save for a little dirt. This extinguisher assembly is entirely clean as it should be. No powder, no nothing. This is absolutely crazy. But yeah, here's what the extinguisher looks like without the hose. And I'm just gonna see, is it clear? Is it? I can't tell. Maybe I'm not bending the hose enough. Let's see, it doesn't work. Let's try it now. Okay, I can't see anything, but I think it's clear. All right, let's see. I'm just gonna give it a little blow. Sounds clear to me. So yeah, here we go. We got another fire extinguisher. It's a 5-pound residential model. Can't wait to use this extinguisher. I'll make a review on this in the future, so just stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching and take care.